Welcome to Yes PHX. I'm Daniel Valenzuela. I'm here with my co-host, Mr. Yes PHX, Jonathan Cottrell.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
And we are here at the department with its managing director, Kyle Frazey.
Yeah.
Kyle, thanks for having us. Tell us a little bit about the department.
Yeah, so the department's a collaborative workspace. We launched in October, really kind of public launches today, grand opening. It's a 16,000 square foot space, right, 1st Street in Washington, 1 North 1st Street, downtown Phoenix. We have right now 60 members, 20 different teams represented, and just a really cool, diverse community of business leaders, entrepreneurs, nonprofits. We have some artists, and just kind of across the board, a really neat group.
Now, you mentioned this being not just a co-working space, but really a collaborative space. Tell us a little bit about that and the types of companies and people that are here.
Yeah, I mean, we have the tech companies, we have the hop scratches are here, and then we have some, business guys, we have some investors, we have real estate guys. There's a private equity fund that's based out of here. So it's really this diverse group of people that just want office here and just really be a part of the community that we're trying to build.
Now, Kyle, you mentioned the location. I don't think that could be understated.
Yeah.
The importance of a co-working space is to allow an entrepreneur to grow their business, provide a service without having to worry about these really high overhead costs, but to do it in a place like the heart of downtown Phoenix.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So, actually, my question is to you, Jonathan.
Yeah.
He mentioned Hop Scratch.
Yeah.
Hop Scratch is actually one of the tenants here, which is your company.
It is.
Why did you choose the department?
Well, I think being in the heart of downtown and really having a number of other entrepreneurs, startups, and really that collaborative feel that you said, the space is beautiful and the location itself couldn't be any better. Looking right across the street at the Talking Stick Resort Arena, we also have Chase Field just down the road, and as you mentioned, what's necessary for any good startup is coffee downstairs.
Yeah. Cartel Coffee is in the
Cartel,
building,
right.
and here on our floor too. Yeah.
Kyle, we are so excited to have you right here in downtown Phoenix. Tell us what's in store for the department in 2016.
Yeah, well, we're just really excited to be downtown here, right by the light rail, right by the stadiums, by 100 food options, and then just to see the community that can grow out of this and really impact Phoenix as a whole and the surrounding region, and just the activity, the businesses, the friendships that are going to come out of this. And just I think it could be really exciting for downtown.
Well, Kyle, again, we are so excited to have you here. I would ask everyone to come out, take a tour, check out the department. Kyle, tell us what people will see when they come out for this tour.
Yeah, I mean, you got 16,000 square feet, I think a really beautiful space. We have conference rooms that are shared between all the members here. We have 10 offices, we have 50 reserved desk seats, and then stand-up desks, countertops, just, a really fun place to work.
We agree, Kyle. Thanks so much for being here and inviting us down to the department. And we invite everyone to come down, check out the department. Follow YesPHX on Twitter, Facebook, anywhere that you're mentioning anything startup related and entrepreneur related in Phoenix, Arizona, Greater Phoenix, we invite you. Thanks so much for joining us today.